Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Profit questions get easy fast when you split them into 2 moves. Find short-run economic profit, then predict the long-run market adjustment. Watch this carefully. Economic profit equals price minus average total cost, all multiplied by quantity, because each trumpet earns the gap between what buyers pay and what production costs times units sold. Now plug in the numbers. Price is 50, average total cost is 45, and quantity is 100. So profit equals 50 minus 45 times 100, which gives $500. Since profit is positive in monopolistic competition, new firms enter in the long run, stealing customers until economic profit gets pushed back towards 0. Well done! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given numbers and check steps. So positive profit means entry, making choice E the winner.